हमारे साइंटिस्टों ने माना है कि हम इंग्लिश को बहुत आसानी से सीख सकते हैं बिना किसी ग्रामर रूल की मदद के, सिर्फ बार बार अभ्यास कर कर, ठीक बच्चों की तरह जैसे वो बिना किसी रूल के इंग्लिश को सीखते हैं और बोलते हैं। धन्यवाद। आवर साइंटिस्ट हैड certified that we can speak fluently English without any grammar rule, only with repeatedly habit. So we can repeat our habit with speaking and listening like kids. So we can also speak very well like kids without any rule. They can understand and they can speak very well. Thank you. In a small village, there lived a gardener named Raj. He loved plants and spent his days tending to the trees and flowers in the village garden. One day, Raj decided to plant a new tree from a seedlings, which he named My Tree. Weeks passed, and Raj diligently watered and cared for the young tree. But he saw no sign of growth. Doubt crept into his mind, wondering if all his efforts were in vain. But Raj remained patient, trusting that nature would take its course. Then one day, to his delight, Raj noticed a tiny sprout peeking through the soil. His heart swelled with joy as he realized that his patience had paid off. Over time, the little sprout grew into a strong and healthy tree. As the seasons changed, tree began to bear fruits and vegetables in abundance. The once barren tree now flourished, providing nourishment for the entire village. Raj couldn't contain his happiness as he harvested the delicious produce. Through the journey, we learned the valuable lesson of patience. Just like the gardeners waited patiently for his tree to grow, we too must have faith and perseverance in our endeavors. With patience and determination, we can achieve great things even when the results seem uncertain at first. Thanks for the today's story. If you like, then please like, comment and share.